Hi friends, welcome to ITpros official channel. Today we are going to see a topic on step-by-step guide to create a Windows bootable USB pen drive in 5 minutes using Rufus software. So in this, basically you need these things: Windows 11 or 10 ISO files, or even Windows 7, whichever you need, even Linux also. In last video I have given a small video on how to download original Windows 11 software, and then you need a Rufus software to make a pen drive bootable. Then a minimum 8 GB of USB pen drive and a PC or laptop is required. Just go and visit this rufus.ie site. Just I am using my Chrome browser. Just I have visiting rufus.ie.en website. Then just scroll down, you can able to see here Rufus 4.11, which is a current version release here. Just you go and you can able to download this software. The software is less than 2 MB size, is got downloaded. Just you can visit the download. Here you can able to find that. Just you double click and open the Rufus software. Then you can able to burn any of this ISOs, Windows 10 or 11 or anything. Just I'm going to give an example how to burn. Here you select your pen drive. Here just you select your pen drive. Then you select your bootable image. I'm going to select Windows 11 bootable. Just click on this image. In previous video I have given how to download this Windows 11. Just you click and open. Then you have to select image option, standard Windows. After that, the partition schema can be MDR or GPT, but in latest we are using only GPTs. So you select GPT. Here you can give the volume names which you have to change. You can able to change it. You can also give it as Windows 11, Win 11. Then you can just click to start to burn. Then you can give here OK. Here you can find a warning message that the pen drive will be destroyed and the partition will be created. Just click it OK. Here now you can able to see a partition is being created. Partition file is being created. Once this may be taking a time of up to 2 to 5 minutes. The complete ISO file will be copied to your pen drive depending upon your system speed. Then just you can boot this pen drive and you can reboot your system, and you can able to install your PC. In next video we can able to see how to install Windows 11 using this pen drive. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.